Who is the chairman of Planning Commission? Answer: Prime Minister. Which type of body is the Planning Commission of India? Answer: a non-statutory body. What is the full form of NABARD? Answer: National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Where is the headquarters of NABARD located? Answer: Mumbai. How many languages are printed in an Indian currency note? Answer: 15 languages. What is the full form of SEZ in economics? Answer: Special Economic Zone. What is the full form of PURA? Answer: Provision of Urban Amenities in Rural Areas. Which of the following personalities gave the PURA model in economics? Answer: Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. In which year the 5-year plan was started? Answer: 1951. What is the full form of Niti Aayog? Answer: National Institution for Transforming India. In which year the Niti Aayog was established? Answer: 2015. Who is the chairman of the Niti Aayog? Answer: Prime Minister. In which year the Planning Commission was established? Answer: 1950. Who is the father of Planning Commission of India? Answer: Sir Moksagundam Visvesvaraya. What is the old name of Niti Aayog? Answer: Planning Commission. How many pillars are there in Niti Aayog? Answer: 7 pillars. Where is the headquarters of Niti Aayog located? Answer: New Delhi. The most suitable measure of any country's economic growth is? Answer: GDP. Who calculated national income in India for the first time? Answer: Dadabhai Naoroji. Who was the first chairman of national income? Answer: PC Mahalanobis. When national income is calculated with reference to base year, it is called? Answer: Real national income. Who was the editor of the National Planning Committee? Answer: Subhash Chandra Bose. Who established the Planning Commission in India? Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the final authority in India to approve 5-year plans? Answer: National Development Council. Which of the following state is the richest by per capita income? Answer: Telangana. Which of the following state is the poorest by per capita income? Answer: Bihar. Which organization is known as soft loan window of World Bank? Answer: International Development Association. Which finance minister has introduced the service tax concept in India? Answer: Manmohan Singh. Which finance minister has presented the maximum number of budgets in Indian Parliament? Answer: Morarji Desai. Who appoints the member Finance Commission in India? Answer: President.